What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. We're here with Worldwide RV, and today we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Jayco Pinnacle 32RLTS. This is a 36-foot fifth wheel that comes in at 13,600 pounds and is the top of the line for Jayco's fifth wheel line. So let's go ahead and take a peek inside. As you step inside, the first thing you're going to notice is just how spacious this kitchen is. You're going to have an absolutely massive square countertop style island right here, along with a little cutting board extension down on the end there. And then take a look right here. This is actually patented to Jayco. This is a freshwater drinking faucet, so you don't have to stack your fifth wheel with a bunch of water bottles. Right here, you're going to have a 4-burner stovetop, along with an oven down below, microwave here, and then this absolutely massive 21 cubic foot residential style refrigerator. And this is all part of the 2024 GE appliances package. Right here, you have a pantry that does have automatic lighting inside. Even more pantry space right over here, along with a spot for all your wine. And then come on back with me. As you can see right here, we have an InnoFlame electronic fireplace, external JBL soundbar that does have a sub attached, and then the TV, which is on an electronic televator. And now to watch your TV, you have a full 3-person couch right here that does fold out into extra sleeping area. And then the luxury style theater seating, which has lights down below. It's heated, it's massaged, it's the full beans. And then right here, you have a 2-person dinette that does have the freestanding chairs, along with this little foot-long table extension. And then a little pop-top power tower here, along with more storage on either side. In the bathroom, you're going to have a porcelain style sink, plenty of storage, a 2-shower head shower with an awesome backsplash in there, and then backlit mirror behind the medicine cabinet, along with that stylish sink down there. In the bedroom, you're going to have a queen size bed, which gives you plenty of walking space right here because of that extended slide. You have charging ports on either side, and then right over here is where your closet's going to be, hang bar, backdrop for more stuff, and then more storage down below, along with this closet here, which is primarily for your washer and dryer hookups. And then moving along, as you can see, we have a full-size dresser with that awesome underneath lighting, a 32-inch Insignia TV, and just more storage on the sides. If you guys are interested in this awesome Pinnacle 32RLTS, it MSRPs for over $140,000, but for Worldwide RV's 60th anniversary sale, we have it on sale for only $99,741. So come on down to Worldwide RV today, and let's get you hooked up in this awesome Pinnacle.